Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting. Let's see. They have brought us this gasoline Daewoo and well, the symptoms it has. The faults that this vehicle has, it is difficult to start first, start the engine, then. Once it starts, the idle is accelerated, it is also above 1000 laps. When accelerating it has a very abrupt acceleration, but of course it also throws a lot of black smoke from the exhaust and it also has a certain smell of unburned gasoline, then. The owner, well, before bringing it to us, looking at internet forums, well, of course, he put these symptoms and they said no, that is surely wrong, some of the spark plugs and you should check them. Well, what the owner did was change the 4 spark plugs. The problem continued, he asked again and someone said, no, that has happened to me. You have any of the open injectors and that's why you have that rail and problem, you accelerated. Okay, I change all 4, he put the 4 injectors new, the problem continued, he also changed him, he put the new air filter just in case and he already brought it to the workshop, of course, we checked him in the workshop and the only thing this car had, look, was the gasoline pressure regulating valve wrong. What had happened? Well, this is not something very common but it happens, that the internal membrane had been perforated in this way through this hose. That goes to the manifold or intake manifold, this way, that vacuum should be created to open the membrane so that the excess pressure returns to the return. Okay, what happened is that gasoline was entering the get perforated, so when that gasoline enters it with gasoline vapors, you know that they are also flammable, because what was inside here, the air entered. When it accelerated, of course, air mixed with those gasoline vapors entered it. Then that was what produced is that the vehicle was accelerated, which at first when he stepped on it was difficult for him to start because the vehicle also, of course, with so much gasoline, because it suffocates, then the stepped on already receives more air and partially compensates for that and now the vehicle would start. That's why those sudden accelerations and others, that is, all the fault I had was this. Well, here is a video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.